Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you should start positively. English is to start something positively. English is the beautiful language of the morning. So whenever you wake up in the morning, you just need to tell yourself, today I will learn something new. Today I will accomplish something in the beautiful language of English. Today I will make something different in my life. I will read something. I will listen to something. I will write something. I will speak with my friend about something. This is how you get started with the beautiful language of English. And this is how you should promise yourself to keep going for the period of time of your learning of this beautiful language. Languages around the world are so many, but trying to understand peoples and nations and ways of perception of the world demand a little bit of effort actually. And all of that comes from and by learning a separate language from the language that you speak currently. So if you speak Arabic, if you speak Kurdish, if you speak any one of the Middle Eastern dialects, you need to master another language, such as English, French, or Italian, or Spanish. That will give you a better chance of looking at the world from a different perspective. So get started. I have posted a video yesterday of 12 tips to help you get started with learning of English. And I want you to start positively and powerfully today to learn the beautiful English language. Enjoy your day, have a positive day, and plan ahead of your time. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.